Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to talk about vegetable. So before we begin, make sure you friend subscribe to our channel and like to this video. Corn contains valuable B vitamins which are important to your overall health. Corn also provides our bodies with essential minerals such as zinc, magnesium, copper, iron and manganese. Onion contains cancer-fighting compounds. It helps control blood sugar. It boosts bone density and digestion of health. Garlic is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. Garlic can reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Broccoli is a green vegetable that vaguely resembles a miniature tree. Broccoli is a good source of fiber and protein and contains iron, potassium and calcium. Carrot contains vitamin A which helps your eyes healthy. Carrot contains vitamin C. It helps skin recover faster from external wounds. Cabbage is prepared and consumed in many ways. Cabbage helps improve digestion. It helps keep your heart healthy and lower cholesterol levels. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C and K, magnesium, iron and manganese. Eating this leafy green veggie may benefit eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and reduce blood pressure levels, among other health functions. Potato. Fresh potatoes are used in a wide range of recipes. Potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which make them very healthy. Tomatoes have many benefits. Tomato contains vitamin C, potassium, folate and vitamin K. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Eggplant. The vitamin and mineral content of eggplant is quite extensive. They are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, etc. Eggplant is a high fiber, low caloric food that is rich in nutrients and comes with many potential health benefits. Okra is a nutritious food with many health benefits. It controls blood sugar. It may even have anti-cancer properties. Pumpkin is a highly nutritious and have a vitamin A. It is high antioxidant content may reduce your risk of chronic disease. It also protects your eyesight. Cucumbers are low in calories but contain many important vitamins and minerals. as well as a high water content. Eating cucumbers may lead to many potential health benefits, including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar levels. Chili pepper. Chilies are also a good source of antioxidants. They are also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as minerals such as iron and potassium. It also used as an analgesic in topical ointments, nasal sprays, and dermal patch to relieve pain. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a unique vegetable fruit that can be used as a food or medicine. Bitter gourd is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. It contains iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamins like A and C. Peas. Green peas contain a decent amount of heart-healthy minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium. It may be helpful for preventing high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. I hope you friends enjoyed today's video. So make sure friends like this video and subscribe to our channel.